In other countries, they felt the need for national broadband, kaya po gumastos po talaga sila. For example, South Korea invested 24 billion for public internet backbone. Taiwan, yung po sa South Korea, 24 billion US dollars. Taiwan spent 2.4 billion US dollars to upgrade the country's digital infrastructure. Hong Kong, $18 billion. Japan, 162 billion spending on ICT annually. So, makikita po ninyo, Your Honors, ayan po ang ginagastos nila. Ito po si China, released 289 billion for telecommunications infrastructure investments between 2016 and 2020. Sa Pilipinas po, so far, baka po ang pinakaunang beses na mangyari po yun would be next year. Based on net, that's 900 million pesos. At kung maayos po sa BICAM, ay madadagdagan naman po yan. Next slide, please. Now, let's look at the pricing. Gumawa po ng study ang cable.company.uk ng study on pricing. Philippines po, out of 228 countries, ang Philippines po is number 60. So medyo mababa po siya, less than sa lower half po siya ng presyuhan. In the Philippines, ang average price of 1 gigabyte of data is $1.42 US dollars. And sa South Korea po, $10.94 US